question. So I have given the homework some yesterday. You can see that. So there will be two glass rods or rods, you can say. So rod we can take it as a what, guys? One-dimensional one. So there is two rods which has been placed perpendicular to each other. So now axis of rotation. So if I draw the cross, it is indicating what? It is acting into the plane or out of the plane. Everybody? Yes? Into the plane or out of the plane? Into the plane. So now it is axis of rotation is passing here, one, having a rod mass M and L, length is L. So this is the rod 1 and this is a rod 2 whose mass is M and L. So now actually we all knows that it is a one-dimensional one. I don't know how many of you solved, you can. So we all already studied the moment of inertia through the rod if it is passing exactly through perpendicular to the center of mass. So COM. So what is the moment of inertia, everybody? ML square by? You speak only, correct? I will come to know. So that is what? If it is passing through the edges, what is the answer? ML square by? Everybody?
12.
ML square by 3. Okay. If it is through the center of mass, ML square by 12, which is at the edges, ML square by 3. So what is the moment of inertia here? ML square by, everybody, 3. So now, suppose if the axis of rotation pass here, then this is also how much actually? They are in the same plane or a different plane. Here also it will be, suppose if I imagine, here it is passing. Here also what is that actually? ML square by 3 only. Am I right or wrong? Please respond. So it is passing through the center of mass. It is not passing through the edges. So it is passing through the center of mass. So if I calculate it, so through this axis, so it is exactly parallel to the first axis. So this is what it is. So if it is passing through the center of mass, we all knows that. What is this, everybody? ML square by 12. Clear, everyone? So now the perpendicular distance between them, that is what is this one. So as this length is L and this it is passing through the center of mass, so it will become what? Length will become L by 2. So if I solve this one, this is L and this is L by 2, then what is this side will come, everybody? Triangular formula you apply. So A is equals to root over L square plus L by 2 whole square. Yes, brothers? Have you solved? So that is what it is. Now you can apply. So we find it I1. So I1 means this one. So moment of inertia. So now we want I2. So I2 means what, guys? Everybody? I2 means what? Which is passing through the center of mass. Parallel axis theorem. What is the formula? Center of mass. Sorry, moment of inertia to center of mass plus MA square. Am I right or not, guys? Please respond. So what is the options I have given? Option A, 5 by 3 ml square. Option B, 3 by 5 ml square. Option C, 2 by 5 ml square. Option D, 5 by 2 ml square. So now, so I2 is equals to, what is I passing through the center of mass, everybody? ml square by 12 plus m into, what do you mean by era? A means what, guys? Root over L square plus
L by 2
whole square. So we want A, not A square. So A square is equals to L square plus L by 2 whole square. So I will write it L square. You can write it A value. So L square plus L by 2 whole square, and again it is square. So this is what is the formula. Clear, everybody? A value. So you can see root is there. So root I forgot it. So root or else I can write directly. I can remove it. So I will write this one. Is it okay, Rudreswa? Clear? So A square directly I have written the value. So now if you notice it here, so it will become ml square by 12 plus this one. M into L, ml square plus this one. What will happen, guys? Into is there. So what will happen, everybody? M into L square by 4. Will you all agree with me? Please respond, guys. All of you? Yes? Nobody will respond. So now, which will turn up into what? ml square by 12. This will become, can I say, 5 ml square by 4. Is it okay, everybody? Will you all agree with me? inside alone bracket. Now I will take LCM is 12. So if I take LCM is 12, how much it will come here? So we all knows that I is equals to total momentum is equals to I1 plus I2. So I found it now. Let me find I2 now first. So I2 is equals to what will happen, everybody? You want, you can stop it here also. No issues. Directly we can go for substitution. So this is what I2, I got it. So now total momentum is equals to how much, guys? Everybody? I1 plus I2. So I is equals to I1 value how much, Ra? I1 value ml square by 3 plus I2 value ml square by 12 plus 5 ml square by 4. So what is LCM, everybody? 12 is the LCM. So if I take the 12, here what will happen? 4 ml square plus, here already 12 is there, ml square plus, here 5 is there, 5 3s are 15. 15 ml square. Can you able to catch it? Mr. Narayan, understand? Rudreswa? So I is equals to 5 plus 15. So here 4 plus 1, 5 plus 15. 20 ml square by 12. So you can get cancelled. What is will happen? Yes, everybody. 4 5s are 20 and 4 3s are. So which is equals to answer how much, Ra? 5 by 3 ml square. So that is the total momentum. All of you remember 5 by 3 ml square. Option A is the correct one. So it's very simple. You can see they are asking. So there will be a two rods which has been perpendicular to each other. So you can notice it here. So one axis of rotation is passing here, so that we all knows that ml square by 3. So this length is how much, everybody? L. And another axis of rotation is passing through the center of mass, which is parallel to the first one. So parallax theorem. So if it is passing through the center of mass, we know that the perpendicular distance is actually A. So A is equal, this will become L by 2, L and L, this will become what? Root over L square plus L by 2 whole square. So that's all. If you apply it, then we'll get I is equals to I1 plus I2. So this is I1 and this is what? I2. So as it is passing to the center of mass, parallax theorem, we have studied that. What is I2, everybody? I2 is equals to moment of inertia through center of mass plus, what is the formula, guys? Yesterday's class we have derived it. M R square, sorry, M A square. So M A square, so A value you find it, you substitute it, you will get the I2. So I1 plus I2, if you add it, you will get the answer. Are you clear? Aswita, understand, Rudreswa? Anything doubt you can ask me. So answer is 5 by 3 ml square. Only Narayan solved yesterday. Narayan, understand Narayan clearly? Any doubt you can ask me. Kadari, Rohit, Rishi, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please, where you are solving only, it will come. If not, it will not be. You see, once it is completed, we will go to the next question. Mr. Sai Karthik, clear? Manu and Samya? Solve this one. So next question. Actually, this is one of the JEE mains question. So you can see that question, how interesting the question will be, and you will understand. So write the question. Four solid spheres, each of mass 5 kg. So what is the mass of the each solid sphere? Everybody? 0.5 kg and diameter root 5 centimeter are kept at four corners of a square of side 4 centimeter. So what is each side of a square, everybody? Yes, please. 4 centimeter. Okay. So the MY, moment of inertia, about the diagonal of square is, they have given the value n into 10 to the power of minus 4 kilogram meter square. That is what it is. Now calculate the coefficient of n. What is that n value? Do you understand, everybody, question? Mr. Narayan? So that is what is the question. So 6 and n is equals to how much? Either 1 or 3 or 6 or 9. So this is what we have to do it. Shall we start now, everybody? If you're okay, then we'll proceed further. Okay. So now 4 solid spheres, each of mass, how much, guys? Everybody? Each of mass is how much? Please respond. It is 0.5 kg. So you can take it your choice. So you can notice it. So totally 4 masses, 4 spheres, each mass is 0.5 kg, has been kept at the 4 corners. So you can notice it, the each mass of the sphere is equals to 0.5 kg. And what is the diameter of the sphere, everybody? Diameter of the sphere, how much, guys? Root 5 centimeter. So root 5 centimeters means, can I write it into diameter? Radius is equals to what, everybody? D by 2. So which is equals to 5 by 2. So are you clear, everybody, what I'm saying? Please respond, guys. All of you. Root 5 by 2. Okay, Rudreswa. So if I do the whole square, so both numerator and denominator, if I apply the square, so root 5 divided by 2 whole square, which is equals to what? 5 by 4. So what is the radius, everybody? What is the radius? All of you. Radius is equals to 5 by 4 centimeter. You should learn it. Okay. Next. So you can see the 4 spheres are present. So we all notice it. So they are saying that about the diameter and are kept 4 corners of a square of each side is how much, guys? Side of a square. How much it is? Everybody?
4.
Each side is equals to 4 centimeter. Now you can see the MOI about the diagonal of a square is, that is what they are asking. So diagonal means what? Definitely it is passing through the something. Can you tell me? We all people knows that. Definitely it is passing through the what? All of you. Passing through the center of mass. Are you clear, everybody? So you can take anything. So definitely it is passing through the center of mass. So that is only we used to called as basically diagonal. Now, so let us take the totally now 4 spheres we have. So first I will take this one and this one as it is diagonal, and next one is this one and this one. So these are the total. Now you tell me. So let me take the moment of axis. That is what the axis of rotation is passing through this one. So now 4 is actually diagonal, correct? So maybe I will take it to this also. So if you observe through the center of mass, they are actually what? There is a theorem which we have learned already. They are parallel to each other. So what theorem we can apply? Everybody, please respond. Parallel axis theorem. Understanding, all of you? So according to parallel axis theorem, let it be, I will find it. So you can notice it as the momentum, you can see as they are parallel to each other. So I can say the total momentum possessed by the body is equals to sum of the individual momentums. I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4. So that is what it is. Now if you notice it, so can you tell me, all of you, what is the I1 and I2? I1, this is 1 and this is 2 and this is 4 and this is 3. So now I1, as they are same mass and same diameter, the momentum possessed by them is same or different? Everybody? Is same or different? Everyone, please respond. It is same or different, guys? It is same only.
Same.
And this is passing through the center of mass, which is passing through the center of mass. Your choice, you can take anything. So center of mass means moment of inertia is remains same or different? Everybody? Remains same. So now, if the sphere, the solid sphere, which is passing through the center of mass, what is the moment of inertia? Can you tell me? Already we have calculated. Try to find it.
2 mr square by 5.
2 mr square by 5. So as it is passing through the center of mass, the moment of this one is equals to moment of this one. I1 is equals to I2. So what is the value, everybody? 2 by 5 mr square. So which is equals to, because it is passing through the what? Everybody? Passing through COM, center of mass. Now, if you notice it, I4, this 4 and 3, both are parallel axis of rotation if you taken. So they are parallel axis theorem. So then also they will be equal. I3 equals to I4. So what is the value? I3 equals to I4 means they are actually parallel. So parallel means what? Just now I have written the formula. What will happen? Moment of inertia through center of mass plus what will happen? MA square. Are you clear, everybody? So MA square will come. So which is equals to now. So moment of inertia through center of mass just now we have done. What is that? 2 by 5 mr square plus m into what is the A value? That is very important. So all of you observe very carefully, as it is a diagonal square, it is. So if it is a square means we all know. So diagonal formula, can you tell me? What is the diagonal formula? For those diagonal formula, very bad, Ravi. Diagonal formula, a root 2, understanding? But it is see that as it is passing to the center of mass, then what will happen? Parallel axis theorem. So r means this is only the distance. Am I right or wrong, guys? Please respond, everybody. Yes or no? This is only the a, either this body or this body, whatever you can take, that is only the perpendicular distance. Am I right or wrong, guys? Respond, everybody. So any body you can take, either this or this. Then diagonal, this total is a root 2. Then what is this half become? Half become how much, Ra? This diagonal is a root 2. Then half become what? A root 2 by 2. Do you understand, Ra? Please respond, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then a value given in the question. What is the a value given in the question? Check it. Kept 4 corners of a square of each side. How much it is?
4.
Yes, 4. So what is the value, everybody? Each side is equals to 4. So a is equals to 4. So 4 root 2 divided by a. This a and this a is not same. This a is different. This a is what actually? Perpendicular distance. Understanding Ra? Parallel axis theorem. And this a is a what? Side of a. Side of a what? All of you. Side of a square. So 4 root 2 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So what is the answer, everybody? What is the perpendicular distance?
2 root 2.
2 root 2. Clear? So 2 root 2 whole square. That's all it is. So which is equals to 2 by 5 mr square plus next this one m into 2 square and root 2 whole square. So it will get cancelled. So 2 by 5 mr square plus 2 square 4, 4 twos are 8 m. So this is what is actually I3. Or you can say which is equals to what? I4. So now as we know, now we want total momentum. So what is the total momentum, everybody? All of you check it. Sum of the all individual momentum. So now I said just now, I1 is equals to I2. So can I replace in place of I1, I2, everybody? Or I2 place of I1? Respond, guys, which are passing through the center of mass. Next, I3 is equals to I4. So I can replace I3 with I4 or I4 with I3. So what will happen, everybody? So moment of inertia, total moment of inertia is equals to, can I write it 2 times of I1? Mr. Prados, are you clear? Because I1 is equals to what?
Sir.
I1 is equals to I2. Same way,
I2.
2 times of I3. Is it okay, girls? Asita, understood? Yes, that's all it is. So if you make it, you will get the answer. So what is the 2 into? What is the I1 value? I1 value here you can see 2 by 5 m r square. Understanding, Amma? So 2 by 5 into 2 by 5. What is the m value? Pakranga question. Each one mass, how much? Each one mass, how much, Ra? Each one mass, how much, guys? 1 by 2 kg, 0.5 kg. So means 1 by 2 into r square. What is r, Mr. Udreswa? R value. Yes, please. Radius, Ra. R is how much? We have found it. Diameter is root 5.
5 by 4.
Yeah. Radius is 5 by 4. Here we have solved. Where is that? Here. Radius is equals to how much? 5 by 4. Please learn it. It is for centimeters. So 5 by 4. R square. So R square, sorry, R. So 5 by 4 it is. Clear, everybody? Plus 2 into I3 value, tell me. What is I3 value? Here only it is there. 2 by 5 into m value 1 by 2 into r square. What is r square value?
5 by 4.
Yes. R square value how much? Here also I forgot to do it square. So we have to do it that. Okay. So now tell me, everybody, what is r square value, Ra? Again, 5 by 4. Okay, whole square. Next plus 1 by 2. How 1 by 2 means mass? Mass is 1 by 2
into 8.
8. That is what it is. So anything doubt, you can ask me. Are you understanding? Yes? So
Yes,
that's
sir.
all it is. Now you can solve. All of you can see. So can I get cancelled? 2 will get cancelled. So here 1 4 will get cancelled. So what is remaining? somewhere I did mistake. Can you tell me what is the mistake I have done? I1 value 2 by 5 mr square. Passing through that, R value is okay. Yeah, 2 by 5 mr square plus mr square. Somewhere I mean, anything mistake I have done, you can check it and let me know. So or else let me, okay, we'll finish it. So what is the remaining things, everybody? So this one I can write 2 into, so this one you can see, can I get cancelled? 5 square means 1 5. Is it okay, Rudraswa? Clear?
Yes,
Yeah. So 5 will get cancelled. So remaining what is there? Only 2 is remaining. So remaining 5 by 4 square means 16. Can I write it, everybody? Plus, okay guys, plus next to 2 into, here what is that you can see, again 2 this will get cancelled and this 2 will get cancelled and 2 ones are 2 fours are. So that's all it is. So what is remaining, everybody? 5 by 16 plus 4. Okay, everybody? Understand, Emma? Clear? So now I can say 2 5s are 10. So this 2 5s are 10. 10 by 16. So 10 by 16 plus 2 into 5. Again, okay, let me write this one. So 2 into 5, it is how much it is equals to? 10 by 16 plus 2 fours are 8. So this is what it is. Now you can take LCM, everybody you can simplify it. So what do we simplify? 2 5s are 2 8s are 2 5s are 2 8s are, and here by 2, oh yeah, nothing. So that is what. So which will turns into what? 5 by 8 plus 5 by 8 plus 8. So what is the LCM, everybody? What is the LCM?
8.
I'll take it as a 8. So 8 means here 5 plus 5 plus 8, 8 is how much? 64. So which is equals to how much, guys? 74 by
74 by
8. How much is the answer? Somewhere we did mistake. I want to know that. Okay. So where I have done mistake? Check it, everybody values everything correctly only. Yeah. So what is the division, Ra? 74 by 8 means? How much?
37 by 4.
Yes. So we got it approximately 9.25. Am I right? Verified. So 9.25. What is this actually? Kilogram centimeter square. See that everywhere radius I have substituted centimeter or meter. Everybody. Radius I have substituted centimeter or meter? Centimeter. But in the given question, what they have given? Meter or centimeter? Square meter or centimeter square?
Meter.
Square meter. So square meter. Now if you have noticed it, so we all knows that 1 square meter is equals to 10 power 4 square centimeter, and 1 square centimeter is equals to how many square meters? 10 power minus 4 square meter. Understanding, all of you? So I'll multiply this one as 9.25 into 10 power minus 4 kilogram meter square. Will you all agree with me? All of you? So what is the n value? N value is equals to how much, guys? Approximately it is equals to, yes please. Approximately n value is equals to how much?
9.
Is equals to 9. That is what you have to remember it. Okay. So solve it. So this is how we have to solve. What is the moment of inertia about the diagonal of a square? You can take any diagonal. You can take it and you have to solve it one. So n is equals to 9. For those, are you solving?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. So remember this 1 meter, 1 square meter. Why I am converting at the last? Because we are taking here radius and all in centimeter. So we have to convert into meter. So we all knows that 1 square meter I can write as a 1 meter into 1 meter. So I can write 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. Actually, you all people knows this one. So which is equals to 10,000 square centimeter, which is equals to only 10 power 4 square meter, which is equals to 1 square meter. So we want reverse relation. So 1 square centimeter is equals to 10 power minus 4 square meter. That's what it is. Understand, Laksha? So answer n value is equals to how much? N value is equals to 9. Approximately it is. Okay, guys? All of you? Yes, Kadri, Murali? Solve it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Okay. So this is the question. So complete it. Then only we'll proceed with the next question. Any doubt, ask me. This was solved.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Next one. Next question, right? A wire of length L and uniform mass density rho is bent in form of a circle. Is bent in form of a circle. Find moment of inertia about the axis shown. Option A, 16 rho L3 divided by 31 pi square. Option B, 2 rho L cube divided by 5 pi square. Option C, 3 rho L cube divided by 8 pi square. Option D, 4 rho L cube divided by 11 pi square. Do you all understand it? So these are the options, and I'm giving the figure also now. So the given figure is this is the axis of rotation. So that's what it is. Now you have to find it, everybody. So we all know it is actually a circle. Circle means what it will forms, everybody. It is a disc or ring. Circle it is forming, everybody. It will form a ring or disc. Everyone, please respond.
Ring.
Ring it is. So you all people knows ring perpendicular to the plane Z. So what is the moment of inertia? If it is the ring, it is perpendicular to the moment of inertia. So what is the moment of inertia of a ring? Everybody? Yes, please. You all studied it. What is that? Ring moment of inertia. M/r square. Correct or not? So now, if it is through the x-axis or through y-axis, how much it is, Rudreswa? Z-axis means m/r square. So we all know that z-axis is equals to moment of inertia in x plus moment of inertia in y. So which is equals to how much? You all should tell. Yesterday only we have solved. This will become what? Moment of inertia in x-axis.
M/r square
by 2. Moment of inertia and y-axis also m/r square by 2. That is very important. Okay, everybody. So having a length L and mass density is rho. Now they are asking. So as we know, a wire of length, it has been bent. L uniform mass density is bent in a form of a circle. Circle means it is a what actually, everybody? It is a what actually? A ring it is. Understanding? So now, so axis of rotation, imagine it is passing through the center of mass. So it is passing through the center of mass means both what principle we have to apply? Axis of parallel axis theorem. Understanding, everybody? So what is the distance, perpendicular distance from here to here? A. Perpendicular distance is equals to what, guys? Perpendicular distance is equals to how much? All of you. Which is equals to what? A ring it is. So what is the perpendicular distance?
Radius.
Radius. Understand, Ra? Correct? Please
Yes, sir.
respond. So now, as we know, if it is perpendicular to the Z, we know that m/r square. Now it is passing through the x-axis. So what is the moment of inertia here? X-axis means m/r square by m/r square by 2. Understanding, all of you? So that is what you have to remember it. Because through the z-axis, we all people knows. What is the z-axis? m/r square is the moment of inertia. So now, so which is passing through the center of mass, we all knows that moment of inertia is equals to center of mass plus ma square. So that is what. So what is the moment of inertia through center of mass, everybody? Center of mass is how much? m/r square by 2 plus m. What is the a value? A is equals to r. So that it will become m/r square. So now I is equals to, I will get a 3 m/r square by 2. Anybody having any doubt till here, you can ask me. I hope you all understanding. Girls, boys, everybody. Clear? Yes, all of you. That is what. But you can see options are not matching. So what we have to do it, sir? We'll do it. Now can see. So what is the mass density formula, everybody? Mass density formula. Can you tell me? Mass density formula. So density is equals to mass by total length. Understanding? So that is what it is. It's a ring wire it is. So from that m is equals to what? Density into L. So I will replace in place of m what I can write, everybody. I is equals to 3 into mass into L. Sorry, density into L. next into R value. R value, check it everybody, how to find. So can you tell me if it is a ring, total length is equals to what? Rudreswa, L is equals to what is that ring mean? Circular motion.
2 pi r.
2 pi
2
r.
pi r.
Understanding, because it is a what, Pradosh? It is a circle. So now, from
Circle.
that we all knows that R is equals to what will happen? R is equals to L by, respond, L by 2 pi. So I will replace in place of here, L by 2 pi whole square divided by